little ducks went out to play, learning colors on a sunny day. Mother duck called quack, 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 and all 5 ducks came waddling back. The first little duck wore red so bright, like an apple shining in the light. He splashed around in rosy hue and said, "Red is fun and new." The second duck wore yellow clear, like the sunshine bright and dear. He laughed and twirled with happy sound. Yellow makes the world go round. The third little duck wore green so sweet, like soft grass beneath his feet. He waddled near the leafy tree and said, "Green looks nice on me." The fourth duck wore blue so fine, like the sky that loves to shine. He swam in water cool and deep. "Blue," he said, "is mine to keep." The fifth duck wore orange bright, like the sunset's glowing light. He flapped his wings and gave a cheer. "Orange is my favorite here." They quacked and splashed and danced around, making colors all abound. Mother duck smiled, proud and true. "Each color's lovely, just like you." Then the rainbow filled the sky, red to purple, low to high. 5 little ducks looked up with glee. Colors make us happy, see. Now they sing both near and far about how bright their colors are. Red and yellow, green and blue, orange too, so warm and true. 5 little ducks at end of day learned their colors in a happy way. Mother duck called quack, 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 and all 5